In this presentation, we will explain the problem addressed by the project, the proposed solution, and the key features and benefits of SpendWise. For this project, we are supervised by technologists Dr. Mulyana binti Mohsin, Liaise Ms. Ran. Our team consists of 5 members with different responsibilities. Muhammad Zikril as project manager, Nur Syafiqah Natasha, which is me, as UI or UX designer and front-end developer. Iman Hazira as database designer, Siti Nur Hafiza as AI analytics developer, Ahmad Danish as testing and evaluation specialist. To protect the originality of our project, we have submitted a copyright application for SpendWise. These applications cover the project concepts, system design and development materials.
Nowadays, most students use e-wallets, online shopping platforms, food delivery services, and cashless payment almost every day. These technologies make transactions more convenient, but at the same time, they also make spending money much easier without realizing it. Because of this, many students find it difficult to keep track of their daily expenses. Small purchases may seem insignificant, but over time they can add up and affect personal finances. Although there are many financial tracking applications available, but most of them are designed for general users and often include complex features that may not suit students' needs and lifestyles. Therefore, we developed SpendWise, a student-focused financial tracking application that helps users manage their expenses more effectively through expense tracking, AI receipt scanning, spending analysis, and budget monitoring in one platform. The main objective of SpendWise is to develop a smart mobile application that helps students manage their expenses more easily and improve their financial awareness. To achieve this, we first aim to create a user-friendly financial tracking application that is designed specifically for students' needs and daily spending habits. Secondly, we implement AI-powered receipt scanning technology so that users can scan their receipts and automatically record transaction details without having to key in everything manually. The application also includes budgeting features and financial notifications to help students keep track of their spending and stay within their planning budget. In addition, SpendWise analyzes user spending patterns and provides useful financial insights, helping them gain a clearer understanding of their spending habits and manage their finances more effectively. Lastly, we evaluate the effectiveness of the application in helping students improve their financial management skills and overall financial awareness. After understanding the background of the project, we can now look at the main problems faced by students in managing their finances. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of financial awareness among students. Many small daily expenses are not recorded consistently, making it difficult for them to understand their spending behavior. Students also face difficulties in tracking their expenses effectively. Traditional methods such as manual notes or spreadsheets can be time-consuming and inconvenient to maintain over a long period. Another issue is that many existing financial management applications are not specifically designed for students. Some applications contain complex features that may discourage students from using them regularly. Due to these challenges, students may struggle to manage their finances responsibly and identify unnecessary spending. Therefore, a more practical and student-friendly financial tracking solution is needed.
For the development methodology, our group used the Mobile Application Development Lifecycle, or MADLC. The first phase is identification, where we identify the financial management problems faced by students, such as difficulty tracking daily expenses and budgeting. The second phase is design. During this stage, we design the user interface, application workflow, database structure, and key features such as expense tracking, budget monitoring, analytic, and receipt scanning. Next is development, where all planned features are implemented and connected with the database and backend service. The fourth phase is prototyping, where an early version of SpendWise is created to evaluate usability and functionality. The fifth phase is testing. Functional testing and usability testing are conducted to ensure the application works correctly without errors. After that is deployment, where the application is prepared for demonstration and user evaluation. Finally, the maintenance phase focuses on fixing bugs, improving performance, and adding feature enhancement based on user feedback.
Now let's move on to prototype demo, starting with the login page. This page serves as the main entry point for users to access the SpendWise application. Users are required to enter their email and password in the provided input fields to log into their accounts. A Keep Me Sign In option is available to allow users to stay logged in for easier feature access. The page also includes a forgot password feature for users who need to recover their account passwords. In addition, users can choose to sign in using their Google account through the Continue with Google button for a faster login process. At the bottom of the screen, a Create an Account option is provided for new users who wish to register and start using the applications. After successfully logging into the application, users will be directed to a home page which serves as the main dashboard of SpendWise. At the top of the screen, users can view the profile icon, select mask, and notification button for easy navigation and account access. In this home page, there is a monthly financial summary, spending by category, and recent transaction. At the bottom of the screen, a level chart is provided for users to access other sections of the application such as home budget and transaction, analytics, and profile page more conveniently. Now let's take a look at the budget page. This page allows users to manage and monitor their monthly spending budget within the SpendWise application. Users can select their preferred month and create a personal budget based on their financial needs and spending goals. The page is designed to help users to become more aware of their spending limits and engage with the financial planning throughout the month. In this page, users can create budget to allow them to create and set the monthly budget limit for their expenses. And when they creating a budget, they will see there's a budget progress indicator, budget on display, and budget alert notification. Now let's take a look at the expense page. This page allows users to record and manage the daily expenses within the SpendWise application. Users are required to enter important transactions such as expense amount, category, description, and transaction date to ensure that all spending activities are recorded in a more organized manner. This page is designed with a simple layout to help users add expenses freely and conveniently during their daily routine. In this page, users will see expense information input, select attachment features. We also implement AI, which is AI receipt scan and AI suggestion feature. Now let's take a look at income page. This page allows users to record and manage their income transactions within the SpendWise application. Users can enter important income details such as income amount, category, description, and transaction date to ensure that all income financial activities are organized and monitored properly. This page is designed to help users to keep track of their financial sources more systematically and maintain a clearer overview of their overall financial condition. In this page, users can see their income information output, their attachment feature, income category selection, and also transaction record management. Now let's take a look at the analytics page. This page allows users to monitor and analyze their financial activities through visual summaries, spending comparisons, and AI-powered financial insights. The analytics page is designed to help users to understand better their spending behavior, identify financial trends, and improve their money management habits through organized financial data and smart monitoring features. In this page, users will see monthly and new filter, AI-powered insights, category breakdown, monthly spending, and financial performance summary. Let's take a look at the profile page. This page allows users to manage their personal account information and application settings within the SpendWise application. At the top of the screen, users can view their profile picture, username, and edit profile icon for updating personal account details more conveniently. This profile page is designed to provide easy account management and personalized users' application experience according to their preferences. In this page, users can see the settings, export data features, logout function, notification, and about and help section.
This slide illustrates the technical architecture of SpendWise. The architecture consists of 4 main components. First is the presentation layer, which represents the mobile application interface used by students. Through this layer, user can log in, record expense and income, manage budgets, scan receipt, and view financial reports. The second component is the application layer. This layer processes all user requests, including authentication, transaction management, analytic generation, OCR processing, and notification service. The third component is the data layer, which securely stores user information, transaction records, budget data, receipt image, and financial reports. Finally, external service such as OCR technology and notification service are integrated into the system to enhance automation and improve user experience. This architecture ensures that SpendWise remains scalable, secure, and efficient for student financial management. SpendWise has strong commercial potential due to increasing use of digital payments, e-wallets, and cashless transactions among students and young adults. The first commercial opportunity is the growing demand for personal financial management applications. Most students are looking for simple tools to monitor their expenses and improve financial disciplines. Secondly, SpendWise has the potential to collaborate with universities, banks, e-wallet providers, and financial literacy programs to support students' financial awareness initiative. In the future, premium features such as advanced spending analytics, personalized AI insight, cloud synchronization, and smart budgeting tools can be introduced as subscription-based services. Additionally, feature enhancements such as bank integration, investment tracking, and financial education modules can further expand the market reach and commercial value of the application. Therefore, SpendWise has the potential to grow from a student expense tracker into a comprehensive personal finance management platform.
Next, I will continue for the sustainable development goals, which is the SDG. This system empowers students by inculcating financial literacy, which is the SDG 4, and preparing them for future economic challenge, which is the SDG 8, and promoting suitable spending habit through continuous expense tracking to prevent unnecessary expenses, which is the SDG 12. The speed which benefit both industry and community. We can see for the industry, it supports with technical growth through AI powers expense tracking and finance insight. For the community, it improves student financial literacy, budgeting habit, and spending awareness, helping them make smarter and more responsible. In conclusion, SpendWise help university students manage finance more effectively in a careless environment by combining expense tracking, OCR, receipt scanning, spending analysis, and AI insight. It promotes better budgeting habit, financial awareness, and responsibility spending, where supporting future growth and combination opportunities. That's all from our team. Thank you.